Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Woodpeckered wood is always going to be great for micro ferro rod and small ferro rod. Here's some good punky wood for that empty bick. Setting it aside over here. We'll ignite this pile of punk wood and it'll turn into a big ember to ignite these bigger pieces. I will make some shavings. Keychain ferro rod, it's a bayite, it's 3 1/8 inches long by 5/16 in diameter. Mora companion, stainless steel. It's already been 5 minutes waiting on that to turn into a big ember, and still there's no depth of ember there. I thought it was going to take off better than that. That looks like it's transferable now. Let's let it sit there and cook while we work on this other micro ferro rod. That's disappointing right there. It's going to take off, especially with this wind we got going. And here's how I load the empty bick. Oh, I don't have good enough punk wood in here to make an ignited ember stay ignited. So let's use the ferro rod again.
y'all do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.